When you type example.com, your browser sees a name, but computers do not travel by names. They need an address. DNS is the system that helps turn that name into the right record. Before asking the internet, your device checks local cache first. The answer might already be stored in the browser or operating system. If it is still valid, DNS can finish almost instantly. If there is no local answer, your device asks a recursive resolver. Think of it as saying, "Please find the DNS answer for me." This resolver does the searching on behalf of your device. The recursive resolver also checks its own cache. If the answer is already there, it returns it quickly, but if not, that is called a cache miss. Now it must ask the DNS hierarchy. First, the resolver asks a root server, but the root server usually does not give the final website IP. Instead, it gives a referral. For example, ask the .com servers. Next, the resolver asks the .com TLD server. The TLD server also does not usually give the final IP address. It points the resolver to the authoritative name server for that domain. Now the resolver asks the authoritative server. This is where the official DNS record for the domain lives. For an A record, the answer might be, example.com points to this IPv4 address. Sometimes the server may return a CNAME first, which means another lookup is needed. After the resolver gets the answer, it stores it in cache, but not forever. Each DNS record has a TTL, or time to live. That tells the resolver how long the answer can be reused. Now the DNS answer goes back to the browser. At this point, DNS has done its job. It does not send the web page. It only tells the browser where to connect. Then TCP, TLS, and HTTP take over. But what if the domain does not exist? Then DNS can return a negative answer, like NXDOMAIN. That basically means, this name does not exist. Even that negative answer can be cached for a short time. One more important detail. Traditional DNS is often not encrypted. DOH and DOT can encrypt DNS transport. DNS SEC is different. It checks whether the answer is authentic, but DNS SEC is not encryption. So DNS is not just a phone book. It is a distributed naming system. A name goes to a resolver, then root, TLD, authoritative server, record, cache, and finally, connection. Names become records. Records lead to connections.
Like and subscribe for more animated tech explanations.